This is how you're going to block spam on Hostinger. Blocking spam is typically handled in two places, either the email and the website forms. So first step, you're going to block the email spam, which is or through the hPanel filter. So in your Hostinger hPanel, you're just going to go to the left side panel and then click on the emails right here. Now once you're on your emails, you're going to click on the mailboxes on the email or the mail that you want to block spam on. You're going to click on mailboxes, and then from here, from your mailboxes, you're going to just click on webmail, which will open your webmail. Now from here, you're going to click on settings at the left side panel once again, and then click on filters. Now from your filters page, you're just going to click on create a new filter, and then from there, you're going to set a rule to filter emails based on keywords in the subject line or a specific sender address, and choose to automatically delete those messages. So again, you're just going to click on filter name. So we're just going to set the filter name to spam, and then we're going to make sure that this filter is enabled so that it performs easily, or it will be added immediately. And then from there, we're going to set the scope. So you can choose matching all of the following rules, matching any of the following rules, or all messages. Now you're going to set the rules right here. You can do subject, from, to. You can also set the body size or whatever message that you want, and whatever contains you can just do, or you can just select any of these, as well as in this box right here, and then you're going to specify right here what kind of message it contains for you to filter that. Now you're going to head over to actions, and then just make sure that you save this filter once you have done setting it. Now if you are using WordPress, if you're going to install a security plugin like WordFence, or a specialized spam plugin like Akismet, and integrate Google reCAPTCHA on all contact or comment forms. Now this will stop bots from submitting spam, and that's it. That is how you're going to block spam on Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.